Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, if you're trying to install some apps in your device but you're facing this issue and you are unable to install the app, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you install apps in your iPhone without any problem. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings in your device, and after this scroll it below and tap on general, and then tap on software update and update your software to the latest version from here. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and now scroll it below and then tap on date and time and set your date and time from here, and then go back and then tap on language and region and select your country and region correctly from here. So guys, here you can see the region option. You have to simply tap on this and select your country or region correctly, then go back and then tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device, and if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it, and after this go back and now you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings and enter the passcode and reset your network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go back and now you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open your browser and search here for support.apple.com. Here you can see this support.apple.com. Tap on this and wait here for some seconds. And now select your device and now scroll it below all the way, and from here you can see you can get support from the Apple team from here. So I simply tap on start now button, and after this you will be able to get support from the Apple team regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.